The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a mathematical tool. Title of the video, Fraction Subtraction, example 9 5 by 8 minus 6 11 by 12. In the previous problem, the value after the subtraction of the fractions was indeed a proper fraction as the numerator was lower than the denominator. There are situations when you have to subtract a number from the numerator when the numerator itself is smaller than the number to be subtracted. In such cases, you have to subtract a number from the whole number section and make adjustments in the fraction part. Let us see how that can be done by slightly modifying the exercise given in the previous problem. Consider 9 5 by 8 minus 6 11 by 12. Set the whole number 9 in the section meant for the whole number. Consider the denominators of the two fractions. They are 8 and 12. What is the lowest common denominator of these two? It is 24. Now, set the common denominator in the right extreme of the abacus. Subtract the whole number of the second fraction from the whole number of the first fraction. That is 6 subtracted from 9 and you are left with 3 in the whole number section. Now, take the first fraction, it is 5 by 8, set the numerator 5 in the extreme left of the abacus, skip one column and set the denominator 8. By keeping your left hand on the 8 and right hand on the common denominator 24, ask how many 8s in 24. By saying 3, clear 8 and set 3. Now multiply 3 with the numerator 5 by saying 15, set the numerator 15 in the numerator column. That is, 1 is set in the fifth column and 5 in the fourth column respectively. Clear the first fraction which has been set in the extreme left of the abacus. Now take the second fraction, set the numerator 11 of the fraction in the extreme left, leave one column and set the denominator 12. By keeping your left hand on the 12 and right hand on the common denominator 24, ask how many 12s in 24. By saying 2, clear the 12 and set 2. Now multiply 2 and 11. The value is 22 that should be subtracted from the numerator already set in the abacus. Check the value in the numerator. It is 15. You have to subtract 22 from this according to your problem. This is not possible. In this case, that is, when the numerator to be subtracted is greater than the available numerator in the abacus, look at the common denominator. That value should be added to the numerator before the subtraction. In this case, you have to add 24 with 15, thus making it as 39. How did you get this? This is 24 by 24 plus 15 by 24. Note that there is no change in the denominator. You have added 24 by 24, that is equal to 1. This number 1 should be subtracted from the whole number. Now you get 2 in the whole number section. After subtracting this number 1, you have 39 in the numerator. Now the value 22 of the second fraction should be subtracted from the numerator and you get 17 in the numerator section. Check the numbers now. You have 2 in the whole number column, 17 in the numerator section, and 24 in the denominator section. That means your answer is 217 by 24. Here the numerator 17 and the denominator 24 do not have a common divisor. Hence the fraction part cannot be simplified further.